Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to Wasak Engineering and Survey YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem, and trigonometric ratio means sin theta cos theta and tangent theta. First of all, we will discuss what is meant by right angle triangle. It is a triangle having one angle 90 degree. For example, this is a triangle. This triangle have one angle 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This small square is a sign of right angle triangle. If you want to know the angle here, the angle is 90 degree. This is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. This is 90 degree and this is other angle. The important thing about right angle triangle is how can we decide this which dimension is base, which is perpendicular, and which one is hypotenuse. The longest dimension is mostly hypotenuse. The longest dimension is hypotenuse, and it is opposite to right angle, means hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degree, and other angle dimension opposite to other angle we consider it perpendicular. This is angle and opposite is this dimension, this side we consider perpendicular. The longest dimension is hypotenuse and it is opposite to 90 degree angle, right angle, and perpendicular is opposite to other angle. For example, if we have another triangle and we have given 90 degree and other angle, how can we decide dimension name means perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse? This is 90 degree, this is a sign of 90 degree, this small square, and we know that opposite to 90 degree means their dimension will be hypotenuse. This dimension is hypotenuse, and a dimension opposite to angle means this angle, that dimension called perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Similarly, this is another triangle. How we can consider the dimension? This is angle opposite to this, the side opposite to this angle is perpendicular, and the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this will be base. Formula to find area of right angle is half perpendicular into base. If we know the value of perpendicular and base, we can calculate area of right angle triangle. Another important property is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is only apply for right angle triangle. This is very important point. Pythagoras theorem is only apply for right angle triangle, and we know that Pythagoras theorem is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular. This is Pythagoras theorem, and it is only applicable for right angle triangle. Actually, this Pythagoras theorem means this is this side square of this side, means, for example, we have a value of P and B. Actually, this value shows the square. For example, P value is For example, P value is 16.306. 16.306. It means this square. This square Similarly, this value means this square, and its base square means here it becomes a square. Similarly here. I hope you have understand this point. This is Pythagoras theorem, and if you want to know some of the missing value of angle or side, we can use this. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta base by hypotenuse. Similarly, tangent theta is equal to perpendicular by base. For example, if we have angle and perpendicular, and if we want to know the value of hypotenuse, we can find from here. Cos theta, for example, if we have angle and value of hypotenuse, and if we want to find the value of base, we can use this ratio. Similarly, we can also use tangent theta, and if we have perpendicular and hypotenuse, and if we want to find the value of theta, we can use this. Similarly, if we have value of base and hypotenuse, and if we want to know the value of theta, we can use this relation. It means that we can use these properties only for right angle triangle. I hope you have understand it. If you have any question or any suggestion, please comment. Please subscribe my channel Watching Engineering and survey for more updates. Millions of thanks for watching.